Guys, in my last video someone asked me about this mobile setup I am using on my chart, okay, and of course I've decided to create a video for you guys based on that so that you will understand the mobile setup very well, or you will be able to do the setup for right there on your own chart. Okay, so this setup is so easy that even if you are not having the custom made indicator, you can still be making between 50 to $100 on daily basis using this setup. Okay, you can even make more than that. It all depends on your trading capital. But before I do that, guys, I also have people asking me about the performance of my trading bot, and I'm going to head on to the history side also to show you the performance of the trading bot. It is an automated trading bot, and of course, if you should notice, check out this. Okay, this is $5,766 made already. Okay, $5,766. And if you should, if you have been watching my videos on the channel, I started with $200 capital for this particular account, and of course in about a month, less than a month or thereabout, okay, I've been able to push it up to $5,766. Now let's see the performance of the trading bot. Okay, check it out. There is nothing to hide here. You will see some of them are blues while some are reds. You can see them. There is nothing to hide here. Okay, so I love being plain in everything I am doing. Okay, just that I'm having more blues than reds. Okay, so that is it. You can see this side I add more reds around here. Okay, but the end result is what will baffle you. Okay, check out this also. You can see all that. So I can go on and on and on and on and on like that. Okay, trading different assets. It's not only step index. BTC is there, boom is there, gold is there, and the likes. Even euro USD is also there. Okay, so trading different assets, guys, trading different assets. So this is so amazing, guys. So you want to know more about this, you can join the Telegram channel, or probably you link up with me on WhatsApp and let's discuss about that. Okay, so let's go back to the charts. Okay, so this is what I am having on the chart, the setup I am having on the charts. Let's check it out. I'm only having three major setup on the main chart. We have this alone on the main chart. Okay, so you can screenshot it so that you will be able to do it on your own chart. Within the window indicator, I am having this, and also I am also having this. You can do this screenshot so that you can do this setup on your chart. If you should notice, my chart's background is dark. Take note of the colors. This particular one is also dark, which means I don't want this line to show at all. Okay, so that is why it is not showing. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so if I don't tell you the exact tools I'm using within the window indicator, you might be thinking it is a moving average. It is not a moving average. Okay, just that I didn't allow the other line to show. That is why you don't know that. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I do my analysis using what I have on the main chart, and of course I do the confirmation using what I have within the window indicator. Okay, the window indicator helps me to know when the market is overbought and when it is oversold. How do I know that? Okay, let me tell you. Okay, once it gets to 70, it shows that I should take my profit if I'm in a buy market. Okay, and of course, if I don't want to take my profits, then I should lock up 80% of my profits and expose 20% in the market, so that in case anything happens, I will still be having my 80% with me. That is it. Okay, that is it. And of course, at this stage, once it is heading towards 80, 90, then it means that the market is overbought already. So there should be a change in direction of the trend. That is, if it does not break out from the resistance zone. Because if it breaks out from the resistance zone, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back into a downtrend. So that is also very, very important. Okay, the same thing is applicable for a sell. If we had been on a sell signal, once it gets to 30, I should take my profit. If I refuse to take my profit, or if I don't want to take my profit, then I should lock up 80% of the profit and expose 20%. If I as soon as it is heading towards 2010, then definitely I should have it at the back of my mind that the market is oversold already. So there should be a change in direction of the trend. That is if it does not break out below the support zone. That is it. It is as easy as that. So try out this strategy and see if you will not be able to make between $50 to $100 on daily basis, depending on your capital. And it works on all the assets. I will be stopping right there. If you have any other question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. And if you love this video, kindly give me a follow, right? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.